On today's body cam, we're checking out police surprise DoorDash driver after she attacked store owner.
On October 9th, 2025, officers were dispatched to a residence in reference to an assault that took place during a DoorDash transaction.
Good old DoorDash.
Hello. Yeah. Let's please.
How does that even happen? All you doing is dropping off the food.
Hi there. Hi. Hey, come on out. We just need to talk to you about something.
Okay, step out at the moment. Watch the little baby. What's going on?
So we need to talk to you about something that happened up at a campus town.
Okay.
Can you come on? Can you step on out?
Yeah, I'm listening to you guys.
Okay. Can you step out to talk to
I
us?
can't, because I am watching the little baby right now, so.
Okay. Well, I mean, you can step right here.
No,
when we
I'm saying
talk to you.
I can't right now.
Okay. Well, I mean, there was something that happened up there, and we need to talk to you about it. Otherwise, there's probably going to be a 49 put out for your arrest.
What's that for?
Well, I need to talk to you about it, but I can't do that like this. All right? All right. So, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Fell for the okie doke.
I need it. I do got a baby on stage. I am watching the baby.
Just, we have to read you Miranda and everything, so before you say anything, let's read you that, and then we can talk, all right?
Can I just be, can I talk to the guy really quick? Because he did put his feet on me, his hands on me. He really beat my ass one day.
Okay, well, we can talk to you here in a minute, but we gotta read you Miranda, all right?
All righty. You know, just like what I was explaining to you, this is about an incident that happened up at campus town at the 5-Star Chicken and Fish. All right. And we have on video a couple different incidents involving you with the person behind the register. All right.
So is he being locked up as well? Because he did put his hands on me first.
Well, this is the first time we're getting your side of the story. Right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we got to get your side. That's why I'm, you know.
So yeah, I'm just pretty pissed. So I went up there. I'm actually in school and everything. This is my home. I went up there to DoorDash after I get off work. I do DoorDash.
Okay.
So I did go up there to pick up food, and I wish you guys could see the video. Hopefully they can pull that video. He was very rude. I mean, very rude. And
When was this?
And this was, I believe, last Friday.
Okay.
I would say, yeah, last Friday.
Okay.
Last Friday, probably around 4, 3, probably around. But he did, he was very rude, and I left out. Came back in probably like 5 minutes later, because he said he was rude. Came back, the food still wasn't done, and he started yelling. And I'm asking the guys, like, what is he yelling for? After that, all that, we had a shouting match. He stood on top of the counter, and he jumped feet first. I also have witnesses as well, because they did contact me, because I was thinking about pressing charges, but I didn't. You know what I mean? And, you know, and that's not even probably, that's where it stemmed from.
Okay.
So
then what happened today then?
actually, nothing happened today. I knocked over his bananas when I left out.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't break anything, I didn't destroy anything, but I did knock over his bananas when I left out.
Was there anything said?
What do you mean?
Was there anything said while you were there today? Did he say anything to you? Did he say anything to him?
Yeah, he said, let me talk to you. He said, that's what he said. He started because he's an Arab. He said, let me talk to you. He said, that happened a while ago, because he wanted to explain himself. That happened a while ago, but it was just last Friday. It's not even Friday yet. Tomorrow's Friday. So, and then after that, I'm like, no, you can't talk to me because you put your hands on me first. I'm a female. I could take a hit. I actually wanted to apply for the police officer. I don't have a misdemeanor or a felony.
Mm-hmm.
So I was able to take a hit.
Get to the point. get to the point. She's dragging it on and adding all this extra context, all this extra stuff, because she's trying to come up with the story in her head as she goes along. Just take a look at her right now. Look how she's looking up, keeps licking her lips, keeps the body language, because she's trying to come up with a story that might sound good in her favor, man. But you're done, man. You knew you messed up. That's why you didn't want to come out. That's the real reason why you didn't want to come out, because you already knew once you did, they was locking you up.
You know what I mean? But the fact of the matter is, you see how you on my porch right now because the bananas fell? I worth more than that.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't call the police. So at the end of the day, what was said after that was him saying that, and it wasn't actually nothing really said. Because I came in and knocked the bananas over.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. I knocked the bananas over, but it wasn't, you know,
Sure.
I didn't touch him, I didn't hurt him. I'm pretty sure I didn't break the fruit.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate you being honest about today, because that's exactly what the video shows. Right? You just walk on in. You literally shove. It was bananas. It was apples. There was also a couple little iPad things. All right.
Okay.
Friday, there was also video. Everything scattered on the floor. Looked like there was a Facebook video also.
Did you guys see the whole video? Because the video that was on Facebook was actually the second round. I actually came back to try to get my food again.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And
Well,
if you see me grab my food, he snatched it out of my hand.
So tell us a little bit more about that, because you're a DoorDasher.
Yeah.
And
I'm great stars, very polite.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
The way, like, it sounded like you like weren't, according to him, you didn't have the right information or the right thing to like confirm that was the food. Like, can you explain a little bit more about that?
It was complete. I actually made a report with DoorDash.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it on my DoorDash. I made a report against the restaurant. Because he asked me, because if you a DoorDash employee, like me, I'm platinum. Like, I could go somewhere, like, I DoorDash this morning 45 minutes. I made 35 an hour.
Sure. So,
No cap.
what, did you make any threats against him or his children or his school?
No, he got to school.
So he was saying, and this is what we take seriously, is that he was saying that you made threats, saying that you knew where his kids live, where he lives, and where they go to school.
I knew the guy had a green card. And I'm just being honest.
Okay, so did you make those threats?
No, I did not make those threats to him.
They went beyond the video?
No.
This part seems to where it kind of crossed the line for him. That's mostly why he called.
Oh, not me getting hit.
Well,
I mean,
he's also claiming that he got hit, but that's what I'm saying. is-
but the video was shown. He jumped. He was standing on top of a picture. Somebody. I'm already about 5'3". I mean, picture, and I got on boots. I got stuff inside of them. So I'm probably found one. Picture him standing on top of a thing, yelling, and he jumped feet first. You know what I mean? I've already been not threatened, but actually hit.
So do you have video of this part?
Actually, I got a witness who was there. They should have a video, y'all. You know how that video?
There's enough.
We have a video of the altercation.
Yeah.
We don't have a video
Of him standing up?
of your side.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
so
good. That's good.
yours.
I like that. I like a little line because that means somebody know they did something wrong.
So, but at this point, is there anything else that you want to say about these two incidents?
No, other than I didn't threaten him. I mean, he threatened me and my family. I'm gonna.
Why would you come back today and push the fruit over?
You said, yeah.
Why would
Great
you come back
question.
today and push the fruit over?
Probably because he jumped on my head with his feet. That'll hold some
He
resonation.
jumped on your head?
Yeah, with his feet. That's what I want y'all to have.
Why did you never
He
call
stood on the camera.
Why didn't you call us when it happened?
Because I had things to do.
Yeah.
I'm a busy person. I just told y'all I got a full-time job, part-time job, and I'm a full-time student.
Okay.
And you see me, I'm in the house. And I'm not a kid, I'm 32.
All right. So.
But I didn't threaten him. That's actually a lie. And if he's actually taking part out of videos, so y'all won't see it.
Sure. All right. So right now, we're going to take you to the back of this officer's squad car. Okay. And you do have some arrests. All right. So we're going to take you to the back of the squad car.
So what are the arrests?
So for today, disorderly conduct, criminal damage to property, and assault. And then for the incident on Friday, it's going to be aggravated battery and what was the other one?
Disorderly.
Yeah, it was another like disorderly.
So am I able to press charges?
So
Can I ask you
do
one
you have
question?
any evidence or anything like that?
See, everybody always want to press charges in retaliation, but it don't work like that. If her line of events are true, right, where he put hands on her first, I'm talking about from Friday's incident, from the first incident. Why didn't you go to the police? And then she said earlier, well, I didn't go to y'all, so I think, it was kind of like, well, I didn't call the police for what you did to me, so you shouldn't call the police to what I did to you, when really the guy wasn't even tripping about Friday's incident, because it's the stuff that happened that day that ties both of them in together. So if you didn't go do what you did today, you wouldn't be getting in trouble for the incident, the first incident, and now this incident. Just going in the store causing trouble for no reason. Don't make no sense.
I actually have witnesses, and the people.
Are they non-biased?
No, I don't know them. If you see the video.
So
How did you get the witnesses' information?
Because they actually uploaded the video that y'all said y'all saw, and I contacted the page, and it was me. I got the messages.
That wasn't the female there that was holding the door open for you as you left?
No. I actually have the messages.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go to the back.
Can I also ask you one more question, though?
Sure.
Can I go and ask, or no, can we ask the guy? Can we actually squash this? Because I am an adult. We are humans. I could squash it.
I gotcha.
The woman was charged with assault and disorderly conduct. Thanks for watching.
ShyGotEm reaction. You know it's a hit. Drunk drivers failing under the street lamps.
Yeah, watch the footage, don't miss the stamps.
Let me know what you think of the chase.
Shy got
We out.